Welcome. In front of me is an Apple iPad Pro 11 from 2020, and today I will show you how to insert SIM card into the device. Now, the device in front of me is the LTE version, so it does have a SIM card, and to pop it out, on the bottom right corner of the screen, when it's in portrait, you will have the tray. So basically when it's standing straight up like so, you have it somewhere over here. So you can see it, that's basically where the tray is. Pushing it with the SIM eject tool, as I have one right here. And from here you have space for that SIM card. So place it on the tray like so, and then while holding it securely, slide it back into the device. And there we go, so we have the pin for that SIM card. And there we go. And now it's unlocked. So that is how you would insert SIM into the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.